As you can tell, Berlin citizens got along famously then in 1938. And what better way to cool off on a warm day than jumping in the good old swimming pool out at the conservation grounds? And from contented cows came Carnation milk. And here, as you see, the Carnation Milk Building. Bring back memories? One of the Carnation milk trucks pulling into the plant. From Carnation Milk, we see the Wadham Service Station. And they tell us that this was the boxing match of the decade when these two fellows got together. We don't remember who the winner was, however. Ah, bless these campfire girls. They looked like they were having quite a bit of fun. When there was a Ford in the future, this is where they found the Fords, at the old Ford garage. Of course, many of you will remember the old Park Hotel in the background. And here was the Berlin Laundry and Dry Cleaners.